Auntie Mems, julle koekie.
Dis spesiale koekies.
En hoekom is hulle spesiaal?
Daar's dagga in.
Kom jy help julle hierse klomp?
I don't know about this, guys. They were at work.
Hey, as daai klomp kan syp in werkstyd, kan ons seker mos maar 'n ou koekie eet.
Say no more.
Ja, me.
Onthou net een elk hoor, net.
Kaas is baas. Emma, kom met 'n koekie.
So how long before liftoff?
Hier gaan ons alweer. Oei.
That's supposed to be like that.
Oh, it's Charles J.
Do you think he's gonna notice? No, guys, he's gonna kill me.
Wil jy begrawe of veras word?
The second one for sure. Surprise.
Veras, nie verras nie.
Guys, I'm so English.